Let's talk about some random IV facts you should definitely know as a nursing student and as a nurse. Random IV fact number 1. The smaller the IV gauge, the larger the needle size. So for example, 24 gauge, even though it's a large number, is actually a small needle size. And 16 gauge, even though a small number, is a large IV size. This one is a 16 gauge and this is a 22 gauge. You can see how this is much larger than the 22 gauge. Random IV fact number 2. Never administer IV potassium by IV push, IM, or sub-Q. It can only be given in 2 routes, IV and orally. It must be on an infusion pump. Potassium is really irritating to the vein, so it must be diluted first. Random IV fact number 3 is contrast dye is nephrotoxic, meaning you must assess the kidney function first before administering contrast dye. When I say assess kidney function, I mean assess BUN and creatinine levels. A memory trick for this is to remember contrast kills the kidneys. A normal creatinine level is 0.9 to 1.2. So anything over 1.3, think bad kidney. In this case, you wouldn't want to administer the contrast dye.